Okay, we're draining out, going into distribution, ready for first spin. Oh gosh, I think it's trying to knot up.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it sounds unbalanced, it does.
Probably, because of that.
Well, yeah, I can see it rocking. Well, we put a temporary piece of cardboard, what is it, temporary bit of cardboard to try and stable off the thingy, isn't it? Drain.
I can't remember if it's been on. I don't think it does.
Yeah, it does, because it's the it's only after the first it's only after the main wash it doesn't spin.
Right.
It should spin on the rest all the rinses now.
Okay.
There we go. There she go. Not bad. Bit screechy, isn't it? Do you reckon that's like the motor brush is or something? Yeah, it's a bit raspy, isn't it? So maybe a bit of lubrication I'd say to it, I reckon. Going to the second rinse. And second rinse. So that'll be at this point when Brandon, after it stops, like, you know, filling on his A36, he'd then add the softener he would.
Right.
Or when the second spin starts, then he'll add the softener then. A3172, that's the model, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. I think was it with the Logic, you can get the ones with the green paddles as well, isn't it?
Yeah, the ones with the green paddles, yeah.
Yeah. But what was it? Brandon's one put the green paddles in his, or did he have the grey paddles?
Drum, didn't it?
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
Yeah.
And also because it had the faulty blanket spin, where he said it was the leak on the motor, wasn't it?
Right, yeah.
Water leaking onto the motor caused it to shoot, didn't it?
Yeah, from the front.
Yeah. And then like the classic A3060s would have had the Hoover can handle it, like, you know, thing on the top, wouldn't it? So, because I've seen that on another video, I can't remember who the username was, but he had an A3062, he had an A3060 appliance too, and it had Hoover can handle it across the top of it, so
Right, yeah.
I don't know if that was the sticker that comes with it or something like that, I don't know.
Something like a car, I'm gonna have a look.
Is that them?
See if that's that courier person.
Sounds like a bump. Sounds like TV then.
It probably sounds like it.
No?
That was odd. Might be something else.
Oh, and it's got a nice sparkling clear water level as well.
That's good.
Yeah,
That's rinsing well, wicked.
yeah, that's what we wanted, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right, jump the boot.
yeah. Well, you probably hear more of a diesel engine pull up if it was.
Big bang.
So it could have a backup buzzer, but backup alarm, but I don't know.
Yeah.